Mastering the phrase, work quickly, in English. Hello, everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore the phrase, work quickly. This phrase is commonly used in English, and understanding it can really enhance your communication skills. Let's dive into what it means and how to use it effectively in different contexts. Work quickly is a directive phrase combining the verb, work, and the adverb, quickly. It's used to instruct someone to perform a task at a fast pace. This phrase is often used in professional and everyday settings where time efficiency is important. Key components. Work. This verb refers to engaging in physical or mental activities to achieve a result. Quickly. An adverb describing the speed at which an action is performed. In this section, we'll look at various examples to understand how work quickly can be used in sentences. In professional contexts, please work quickly to meet the project deadline. We need to work quickly to resolve these issues. In everyday situations, can you work quickly? We're running late. I need to work quickly to prepare dinner before guests arrive. It's important to differentiate work quickly from similar phrases. Here are some common mistakes. Do not confuse with quick work. Quick work refers to a task that can be completed rapidly, not the manner of doing it. Avoid overuse. Using work quickly too often can imply a constant rush, which might not be appropriate in all scenarios. Understanding and using the phrase, work quickly, can significantly improve your efficiency in communicating tasks and instructions in English. We hope this video helps you in your English language journey. Keep practicing, and see you in the next lesson.